Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm going to walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm going to send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. It's day 2 in the series, and in this video, we're going to talk about the truth about making money online with Kajabi. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the reality of what it takes to grow an online business and how Kajabi fits into that. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. A lot of people teaching business, a lot of people teaching online business, how to make money online, and there's a lot of holes in what they're teaching you, right? You might have learned yeah, just get a course. Yeah, if you have Kajabi, you can make money. Kind of. There has to be a step-by-step strategy, and there's 3 critical truths to making money online that I don't think most people want to tell you, because it doesn't get a lot of YouTube clicks. It doesn't get a lot of shares on social media, but I want you to win. I actually want you to make your first $10,000 and beyond on Kajabi. And so I've got to give you the truth, because I've been doing this for over a decade. I've been doing this in 2 businesses. I know what works, I know what doesn't work, and I know where the holes are. Truth number 1 is you need an audience. You cannot just jump into Kajabi, build a product, create a cool sales page, and hope that you'll sell it. Literally, people believe if they make the online course, people will magically come and buy it. That ain't happening. You need an audience. Don't even think that if you just build a course, you can run some ads to it and make money. Not that simple. And even if it were, it's not a good long-term strategy, because then Facebook owns your audience. They can delete your audience. They can create a higher paywall between you and the audience. What you want is your own curated group of people that you can market to, that love what you're doing, love what you're about, already have a connection with you. And so when you share your latest product or membership or workshop or live event or whatever you want to sell, all of which you can do inside of Kajabi, by the way, that those people, the moment you share it, they want to buy it from you. That's where the money is having an audience that loves you, super fans, loyal people who have gotten a lot of value out of what you've given before. They trust you, they know you, they like you already. And too many people are skipping this step of audience building. It's so critical. So we'll dive into that in this series as well. Truth number 2 that nobody shares about making money online is that it takes time. Oh, it takes time. Nobody wants to hear that. Everybody wants to make money right now. I literally got an email from a guy yesterday that was like, hey bro, I like what you're sharing, but I need to make money right now. If you want to build perennial sellers, products that sell every single day. If you want to build a sustainable, dependable income stream, like a real business, not just you make some money quickly online somehow and you got lucky and then you're scrambling to find the latest trend. I mean, a dependable business. I've been running an online business for almost 11 years now, where I have predictable, dependable, scalable, growing income without me having to run ads, without me having to do a bunch of big launches, without me having to do a bunch of big affiliate things. Predictable, dependable revenue doesn't come quick, but it's worth it in the long run. And if you do what I teach you in this series, you will be building your business to get you that first $10,000 product and beyond. But it takes time. You have to be willing to play the long game. And if you're not willing to play the long game, I don't think you really want to be in online business. It's not going to be for you. So treat it like a real business, a business that most people need to start up, build, and be in for the long haul. Don't be in it for a few months. Create a career for yourself and you will win long term. Third and final truth about making money online is that simple tools and simple strategies work. There are a lot of people trying to confuse you, trying to make online business, making money online seem really complex so that they can sell you their funnel or so that they can just look more important, or they want to harp on the fact that this doesn't work anymore. This doesn't work anymore. You have to do this. You have to do this. And while some things come and go, there are some tried and true methods, strategies, and now tools, Kajabi being the ultimate tool in my opinion, that never go out of style and always work. I have a very simple business model. I have a very simple funnel strategy. I have a very simple marketing strategy. It is not complex. It is very easy to understand, but you have to be willing to implement it and ride it for the long haul, which we just talked about. Kajabi gives you all the tools you need, and I'm going to break them all down for you in this series, but you have to believe that simple tools and simple strategies work. You don't want to waste your time with complex stuff. You want to find the right strategy or strategies, get the right tool or tools. Kajabi is the one in my opinion, and then just ride that thing and be consistent. That's it. The 3 truths about making money online. You need an audience. It takes time, and simple tools and simple strategies work. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.